Welcome back. Now, in order to add scarcity to your pages, you may want to add in a timer of some kind. And you can do that in ClickFunnels by adding in elements on your page. So to do this, what we're going to do is we're first going to add a new row. And we're going to add in a one column row. Once we add in that one column row, we're going to slide that row up. And we're going to do that by going over to the arrow and we're going to just click it up. So now it's above this area. What we're going to do now is we're going to click in Add New Element. And now what we're going to do is we're going to click Countdown. And you'll notice that we have three different kinds of timers that we can use. We can use a countdown timer. We can add a minute timer or day timer. We're going to use a countdown timer. So basically now we have a timer that counts down. What we're going to do is we're going to click in the settings. And we're going to place in the end date for the timer. We're going to choose the time zone, the language, and then we're going to choose what will happen when the time expires. We can have people redirected to a different page when that is the case. We could change the font, but we're going to keep the default font. And if we want to change the look or the theme of the countdown, we can go to this theme section and we can choose a different theme. Once we have our changes, we're then going to click Save. If we want to know what our page is going to look like, we'll then click Preview. And you'll notice now that our page is counting down. We're now going to delete this timer, and we're going to add in a different timer. So we're going to add in a new element. We're going to add in a countdown, and now we're going to add in a day timer. And then we're going to change the elements. So we're going to set this timer to reset at a certain time every day. We're going to choose the time. We're going to choose the time zone, and again, the action, and then what happens at the end of the day. We can choose to auto reset. We can choose to expire the time, or we can choose to hide the timer. In this case, we're going to auto reset the timer and then click Save. So we can add in timers according to the needs of our marketing on any of our pages at any time. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.